Let me be honest with you. Not all love stories on a cruise ship have a happy ending. Some will teach you lessons the hard way, and some will change your life forever. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Tintin and I share experiences and advice about working on a cruise ship. Today, pag-uusapan natin ang isang topic na madalas hindi sinasabi ng totoo. Relationship on board a cruise ship. Kung plano mong sumakay or nandun ka na, this is something you really need to be here. Let's be real. Life on board is very different from normal life. You work long hours, malayo ka sa pamilya, and the people around you become your everyday life. You eat together, work together, laugh together, and over time, you build connections. Minsan, without even realizing it, you fall for someone. And that's normal. You're human. But here's the reality. Relationship on board are not easy. Crazy schedules, different nationalities, and cultures, minsan magkaiba pa kayo ng kontrata or barko. And let's not ignore this. Temptation is everywhere. You will meet a lot of people and not everyone is serious. Some are just looking for company. Some are just bored. And some don't think about consequences. I'll tell you this straight. If you're not emotionally strong, you can get hurt badly. Because on board, relationship can start fast, but they can also end just as fast. May iba na papasok sa relasyon dahil sa lungkot, pero hindi talaga handa. And sometimes, you lose focus. Apektado ang trabaho mo, apektado ang future mo. Remember this, you didn't go on board just to fall in love. You went there to build your future. Now, before you go deeper into any relationship on board, there's something serious we need to talk about. Hindi lang ito about feelings. This is about responsibility and consequences. Kasi ang totoo, what you do in your personal life on board can directly affect your career. And I want to be very clear about this. If you are married or in a serious relationship back home, please, iwasan nyo nang pumasok sa relasyon on board. Hindi lang ito about rules. It's about respect, integrity, and responsibility. Yes, you may feel lonely. You may feel tempted. Normal lang yan. But remember, someone is waiting for you back home. And every decision you make on board, may epekto yan sa pamilya mo at sa sarili mong konsensya. And here's something people don't usually talk about. May mga napapauwi sa barko dahil sa relasyon, lalo na kapag nauuwi sa selo, sa away at sa gulo. Arguments turns into shouting. Shouting turns into reports. And once management gets involved, you can lose your job. Ganon kaseryoso yan. Isang maling desisyon, pwedeng matapos ang kontrata mo ng maaga. Sandali lang ang kontrata, pero ang consequence ng maling desisyon, pwedeng pang matagalan. So control yourself, set clear boundaries, and stay loyal. Not because you're afraid to get caught, but because you choose to do what is right. Now, if you're single, here's my advice for you. Number 1, know your priorities, trabaho muna, goals muna always. Number 2, don't rush feelings. Hindi porket lagi kayong magkasama, love na agad. Number 3, set boundaries. Respect yourself. Don't give everything too fast. Number 4, observe actions, not words. Madaling magsabi ng I love you on board, pero ang tunay, makikita mo sa consistency. And number 5, be ready for reality after the contract. Pag bumaba kayo ng barko, that's where the real test begins. Now, let's be fair. Hindi ko sinasabing lahat ng relationship on board ay mali. There are real stories, may mga nagiging mag-asawa pa nga eh. But those relationship, they are built on maturity, trust, patience, and strong values. Hindi lang sa kilig, kundi sa respeto at commitment. So if you're going on board or already there, enjoy meeting people, build friendship, create memories. But don't lose yourself. Don't lose your focus. Because at the end of the day, your biggest relationship should be with your goals, your future, and your purpose. Love can wait, but your opportunity might not. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and comment down below. What's your opinion about relationship on board? I'd love to hear your thoughts.